So block 3 we have about the sphere we have. So block 3 is about the sphere. Okay, so in this we have the concept of what is sphere, what is the equation of the sphere, what is the center of the sphere, and also what is the radius. Through this we'll get one 10 marks question. 4 points will be given. With the help of the 4 points we have to find the equation of the sphere and we have to find center and radius of it. Okay, so that concept you have in unit 7. So block 3 is about the sphere. So it is the sphere. In that unit 7, so we are studying about the sphere. Unit 7, it is sphere, circle, intersection of sphere and a line. Okay. So we have the concept of the sphere, equation of the sphere in page number 179. So a sphere SC is defined as a locus of a point in R cube which moves such that the distance from a fixed point C in R cube constant. Okay. The fixed point is called the center and the constant distance is called as the radius of the sphere. So if you know the concept of what is a circle, in that whatever the so here whatever the this is the center C we have and we know that whatever it is from the center to this, it is the radius R. Okay. So equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals to 0. Okay. This is the equation of the sphere we have. Okay, center is equal center of the sphere, whatever here center C is. So that is center is minus u comma minus v comma minus w. Okay, you have to remember this one. Center and here we have plus u, plus v and plus w. But whenever we go to the center, it is minus u, minus v, minus w. Okay. And radius means radius r is equals to under root of radius r is equals to under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. This is the radius. Okay. Radius r is equals to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Here plus d is there. Whenever we take here, this is minus d. And here whatever u, v, w values are there that are in the equation. So their squares is minus d. Okay. So we know already the whatever the circle formula we have, x square plus y square equals to r square will have. Okay, so here about how we got this equation and how we'll find the center and radius. It is given in the page number 180. Okay. So whatever the point is there, A comma B comma C, and let A comma B comma C be the center and R be the radius of the sphere given. Let P of X comma Y comma Z be any point of the sphere. So we'll find distance, no? If P, this is any point, X comma Y comma Z. Okay. At A comma B comma C. C here, whatever it is there, A comma B comma C. Center. So when you find the distance from center to this point, CP, we call it as, okay. When you find this distance, we know the distance formula, it is root of X. That is, if you have the points X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2, then we'll find the distance as root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus Z2 minus Z1 whole square. So here we are finding the center to this point. On this also you will have the 5 marks questions will be there. So for finding the distance of the point from the center. Okay. Okay. So from point to here, you'll get it. Either you can write A minus B or else X minus A. So the distance CP is equals to under root of X minus A whole square plus Y minus B whole square plus Z minus C whole square. Okay. So like this, we can find the CP distance. So here it is given, see, the distance between the center and the point P is equals to root of this one. By definition, this must be equal to R square. Okay. So whenever we'll equate this to R square, and when you expand this one, so the square root and R when you will get cancelled, and this is in the form of A minus B whole square. So X square plus A square minus 2AX, and this is Y square plus B square minus 2AY. Like this, when you expand, you will get the, this is the, after that you have no next sentence. S is equals to X square plus Y square plus Z square minus 2AX minus 2BY minus 2CZ plus A square plus B square plus C square minus R square equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the sphere. So in equation 1, if the coefficients of X square, Y square, Z square are equals, this second degree does not contain term involving XY, YZ and ZX. Okay, thus the general equation of the sphere with center. So from the above equation, we are considering, when you expand this, you will get this equation. Generally, we use for solving the problem, this equation is important. Okay. How you got this equation means with the help of this. Okay. So just you remember, this is the equation of the sphere. From this, what is center and what is the radius. This concept is important. Okay. So sometimes 4 points will be given, and they will, in the question, they will ask to find the equation of the sphere from the 4 points. And from that, we have to find what is center and what is radius. That will be 1 10 marks question. Or else only if the equation is given, they may ask to find what is center and what is radius. That will be for 5 marks question. So there is a chance of getting even 10 and 5 marks question. So we will see one problem regarding of this one. It is MEQ question we have. Find the equation of the sphere through the point 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 0, and 1, 2, 3. So locate its center and also find its radius. So this concept, whatever the question is there, that question you have in MEQ, that is model examination question, page number page number 193. It is second question. Okay. Find the equation of the sphere passing through 1, 2, 3. Find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 0, and 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, these are the 4 points, and we can find, locate its. So actually in the question is asking only to find the equation of the sphere. Okay, so in this only I am telling how to find the center and radius. Locate its center and radius. So one more example, no need for finding the center and radius. In this only we will see how we can find the center and radius. So first here, let the required equation of, let the required equation of the sphere be. So first we have to write what is the equation of the sphere. X square, y square, z square plus 2ux, 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the sphere. So through this sphere, we have to, that means through this, we take, how many points are there? 4 points are there. They are passing through this sphere. So you will get different 4 equations we will get. So if first one, 0 comma 0, whatever point is there, that is passing through 1. Okay. So here you write, since it passes through the points 0 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1 comma minus 1, okay, minus 1 comma 2 comma 0 and 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. So first point you take it as 0 comma 0 comma 0. That means you are substituting in place of x, y, z this as a point. So what will happen? This all will become 0. Only d will be remaining. So the d is equals to 0. So we have, here you write, we have. So whenever you put here, it is 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus d equals to 0. That means here we got, therefore d value is here 0. Okay. Now second point, it is passing through the equation 1. Second point is what? 0, 1, minus 1. So that is x square is 0. Next to 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 into 0 into x plus 2 into minus 1. No, it is. So 1 into y plus 2. What is w? W is minus 1 into z plus d equals to 0. Okay. Now what is remaining? This is 1 and this is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2y minus 2z plus d equals to 0. Here from the above, d value is 0. Okay. So you will get it as 2. Sorry, here it is u value, no? One mistake here. This is x value, no? So here what is there? U is like that only, but x value is 0. Okay. Next what we have, v is there. Y value is 1. Next here w is there. Z value is minus 1. So here this will become 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. Next this is 0. So 2v into 1. This is v and this is w we have. Okay, when you substitute here d equals to 0 in this, what will happen? 2 plus 2v minus 2w equals to 0. Okay, when you take out 2 common, so you will get it as v minus w plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is second equation we got from the point here. So when we substituted the first point, we got the d value as 0. So when you substituted the second point, we got this equation. Now we have to substitute the third point. Okay. So whenever we substitute the third point, we'll get one more equation. From that, whatever the second, third, and fourth, 4 equations we'll get. Now from that 4 equations, when you solve those equations, you will get the v, w, and also u values. Already we got d value. So the main intention is we have to find u, v, w, and d values. After getting those values, if you substitute in this equation of the sphere, then you can get the sphere which is passing through these 4 points. Okay, that is the main question. Third point is minus 1 comma 2 comma 0.
చిన్న కొబ్బరికాయ ఇంకా సంతర
So, okay, through the third point is minus 1 comma 2 comma 0. Okay, minus 1 comma 2 comma 0. So when it is passing through this equation 1, minus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square plus 0 whole square plus 2u into minus 1 plus 2v into 2 plus 2w into 0 plus d equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation we got when it is passing through this point. So minus 1 square means 1 plus 4 plus this is 0. This is minus 2u. This is 4v and this is also 0. Okay, plus d equals to 0. So here we got minus 2u plus 4v. When we substitute here d value as 0, so this is also 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. So plus 5 equals to 0. So minus 2u plus 4v plus 5 equals to 0. So this is the third equation we have. Okay. Now when it is passing through, last point is what? 1 comma 2 comma 3. So 1 comma 2 comma 3. So when you substitute in equation 1, it is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 2u into 1 plus 2v into 2 plus 2w into 3 plus d equals to 0. So 1 square is 1, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus d equals to 0. 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus here d value is 0 from this one. Okay, here 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 is equals to 0. Okay, so here we can take 2 common and you can make it in the simple form. If you take out 2 common here, so you will get it as so u plus v plus w, u plus v plus, sorry, u plus 2v plus 3w plus 7 equals to 0. This is the fourth equation. So we got 4, that is 2, 3, 4. From these 2, 3, 4 equations, we have to find u, v, w values. So here, second one is v minus w plus 1. And the third equation is, in third equation, w is not there. So here we can do these two. Okay. Third and fourth equation, when you solve, so here 2 is not there. Here 4v is there. Here 2v is there. So to cancel out u, you can multiply this one. Or else if you keep like this also, it's enough. You take this as only fourth equation. Okay. So now by solving third and fourth equation, by solving 3 and 4. Okay. So 3 is minus 2u plus 4v plus 5 is equals to 0. This is 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus 14 is equals to 0. So what you will get? So we are adding here. So when we add this minus 2u and plus 2u will become cancel and they will become 0. Okay. So these two will get cancelled. 4v plus 4v means 8v plus 6w plus 19 is equals to 0. Okay. So we got so 8v plus 6w plus 19 is equals to 0 we got. Now next v, w and constant is there. So this is the equation 5. So equation 5 means here 8v is there. V is there. 6. W will get cancelled. Only U will get. Okay, 5 and 2 will do. Solving 5 and 2 into 8 here. Okay. So 8v plus 6w plus 19 is equals to 0. And here it is 8v minus 8w plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. So you are multiplying with 2 into 8. So minus and this will become plus and this will become minus. Both will get cancelled. So it is 14w and this is 11 you will get no from 19 you are doing minus. So you will get it as plus 11 is equals to 0. So w, what is w is equals to 14w is equals to minus 11. W is equals to minus 11 by 14. Okay. So through this, we are getting the W value and we already know D is equals to 0. So we got two values. Now we need to find the U or V, anything. Okay. We got W. In this equation, we are not having the W value. Here we have U is there, V is there, W is there. Okay. So now solving any other two equations. 3 and 5. Okay. This is V is there. V will get cancelled. Again, W will get. So you write here one more equation. What is the second equation? V minus W plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the second equation. Okay. So V is there. Here we have minus W is there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if we substitute W value in the second equation, then we can get V value, na?
Yes, in the second equation, if you substitute, you will get V value. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Substitute W in 2. Okay. So V minus of minus is plus 11 by 14 plus 1 is equals to 0. So V here only will do the cross multiplication, then we'll take that side. Okay. 14 plus, if we'll take cross multiply means 14 here. 14 plus 11 means you'll get it as 25. 25 by 14. So when it is equals to 0, so V is equals to minus 25 by 40. Okay. So we got W and V and already we know the D value. Now we need the U value. So here in third equation, if you substitute the V value, then you will get the U value. Okay. So here just the concept is any problem is given in that 4 points will be given. So we have to find the equation of the sphere which is passing through those 4 points. Okay. So the main procedure for solving this problem is that is First, we have to write what is the standard equation of the sphere. That is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equals to 0. So in that equation, you have to substitute each and every point. And those points are x comma y comma z. Okay. Whenever you substitute those 4 points, you will get the 4 equations. Okay. In this case, we have got d value as 0. But in some other problems, you will not get directly d value. Even like this only, we have to find even d value also. Okay. So there, here first equation we have eliminated. Why? Because the first point was 0, 0, 0. So directly we got d value. In some problems, we'll get 4 equations. That is, first equation is the equation of the sphere. Of that, for the 4 points, you will get second, third, fourth, and 5. That means 4 equations you'll get. Through those solving all those equations, we have to find u, v, w, and d. Okay. So if you substitute them and if you substitute those values in the first equation, then you will get the equation of the sphere. So from that, we have to find the center and also radius. Okay. This is the somewhat easy problem, but in other problems, 4 points, that is u, v, w, and d values we have to find. Now, this was the equation. Now, what is that equation? Third equation. Third equation is minus 2u plus 4v plus 5. Substitute v in 3. So 3 is minus 2u plus 4v. What is v? V is minus 25 by 14. Okay. After that, plus 5. Plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Minus 2u. So this I need 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. This is minus 50 plus 5. So minus 2u, this is minus 50 plus 35 by 7 equals to 0. If you want at the side, you can simplify and you can write directly what is u value also. So no need of doing here only cross multiplication and everything. So minus 50 plus 35 means how much you will get? 15, no? Minus 15 minus 25, it is minus 15 by 7 equals to 0. So minus 2u is equals to 15 by 7. So u is equals to, when you do, when this 2 you take here, it will become 14. That is minus 15 by 14. Okay, this is a u value. U value is minus 15 by 14. And here we got what was v value and w. At a time, you write all those points where whatever you have got here. Therefore, u is equals to minus 15 by 14. V is equals to minus 25 by 14. W is equals to minus 11 by 14. And D is equals to 0. Okay. So after getting, substitute u comma v comma w comma d in 1. Okay. So you will get it as x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u. U value is minus 15 by 14 plus 2, sorry, into x. Okay. And v is minus 25 by 14 into y plus 2 into w is minus 11 by 14 into z plus d value is 0. Okay. It is equals to 0. Now just you simplify this one. So for all 2, it is there, no? If you want, you can cancel out. That is, you will get it as 2 into minus 15 by 7. So if you cancel out, you will get 7 here in the denominator. Or else you can keep like that only. So if you simplify this, you will get it as x square plus y square plus z square minus 15 by 7 into x minus 25 by 7 into y minus 11 by 7 into z is equals to 0. Okay. is the required equation of the sphere. Okay. Now he's asking to find the center and radius. So center and radius means from here we can find that one. So the equation of the sphere will have whatever the u, v, w values are there, those will be positive values. Whenever center is there, center you will have minus u, minus v, minus w. Okay. Center is equals to minus u comma minus v comma minus w. Okay. Here when you will see, don't see from here. Why? Because here it is in the form of 2 into u and this is v, this is w. Or else from the above you can see. Okay. U, v, w values are there. But what is center? Center is minus. So minus of minus means it will become plus. So center is equals to, that is 15 by 14, 25 by 14, 11 by 14. Okay, this is the center of the sphere. And radius is equals to, that is radius r is equals to under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So whenever you solve the problems in 3D, compulsory try to mention the formulas. Okay, what is the equation of the sphere? What is the center? What is the radius? Then you find the solution for that one. Okay. So then it will be consider that whatever the problem you have solved, that is done by yourself. And you have tried to solve that one. If you'll see whatever the problem we have done, if you'll see that problem in the textbook, it will be in the very shortcut. Okay. But when you do by yourself, it will become very lengthy one. And you can score good, means almost whoever will do the correction for the your papers, they'll see that the person whoever have written the problem, they have done own, because you know some people they will be copying those problems. So in that, if you see whatever the problem, it is 2 pages, no, it will come in only 1 page. If you copy from the textbook or from any model paper or anywhere. So try to mention each and every equations by which you are finding the solution for the problem. Okay. Whenever a center is asked, means try to write what is the center and what is the radius. Then you find the value of that one. Okay. So the examiner will be satisfied and you will get the even full marks also, because you have mentioned each and everything. No. So no scope of cutting the marks here. So root of u square means 15 by 14 whole square plus v means 25 by 14 whole square plus 11 by 14 whole square minus d. D value is 0. No? So only if you do the square of this, it's enough. Okay. So this use, try to solve this one with the help of a calculator or anything. Okay. So you'll get the answer. It as root of 971 by 14. 14 here, all squares are there. No? So 14 square means you'll get some 256, I think so. So again, when you do the root of that one, you will get 14 only. So in the denominator, no root. Only in the numerator, we have root of 971 by 14. This is the radius, this is the center, and that is the equation of the sphere. Okay, this is the procedure how to find when 4 points are given. So you have many problems in your textbook. So try to solve those problems. So one problem you will have in which 2 points will be given. Here directly 4 points are given. Okay, whenever 4 points are given means just you are passing those 4 points through the equation of the sphere. But some problem will be there in which only 2 points will be given and one plane equation will be given. Okay. So how to find the same equation of the sphere, center and also radius. Okay, that is one problem you have. In some case, 3 points will be given, one plane equation will be also given. So like that also will be there. So if you understand these 2 points and one plane equation, how to find, then you can solve that problem. So for also,
Yeah.
yes ma?
25th और एक क्लास है ना रिमेनिंग?
नहीं आज ही लास्ट है.
आज ही लास्ट है.
Actually कल नहीं था, last कल ही था ना. 17th class was not there actually before in schedule.
Yes sir.
18th and 25th were there, but from 20th you have exams, no? I think so.
ओके ओके।
है आपको एग्जाम्स
26।
26 है ना, इसलिए एक दिन पहले एग्जाम रखे तो उनको प्रॉब्लम होता बोल के 17 को दे हैव प्रीपोन्ड दैट वन।
ओके।
yesterday
तो
क्लास
कल
वाज
क्लास थी मैम?
या व्हाट माँ?
कल क्लास थी?
हाँ कल थी, आपने आपको नहीं मालूम?
नहीं नहीं मैम, मैं आज ही है समझ के आज ही ज्वाइन करी।
अरे ये दो, एक एक भी कल कौन सा एक तो ज्वाइन करे थे, एक ही दो, खाली दो स्टूडेंट्स ही आ रहे क्लास
ओके, मैं आपकी क्लास रेगुलर अटेंड कर दी, लेकिन कल का नहीं मालूम था, मैं कल मैं नहीं आई।
करे थे। एक्चुअली जो भी फर्स्ट में टाइम टेबल दिए थे ना, वो टाइम
हाँ
टेबल
वही फॉलो करी मैं।
बाद में भी एक रीचेंज करके डाले थे हम आपके उसमें नहीं आया।
मैं आया था।
मैं कल को कुछ दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स तो आए थे, एक लड़की या लड़का उनकी थे, सुनीता बोल के एक लड़की, वो
ओके।
कंटिन्यू आ रही होगी। So this is the last class. Next you are not having the class. This is the sixth one, sixth class.
ओके ओके।
So in this only one more is 2 points will be given. This problem is a sixth problem in 193 page number 7.7 model examination questions are there. No? In that only this is the sixth problem. Find the equation. Sorry, find the sphere passing through the points 0, minus 2, minus 4 and 2, minus 1, minus 1 and having center on the line 5y plus 2z is equals to 0 equals to 2x minus 3y. So this is the one more problem you have in which 3 points are given and one plane equation is given. Okay, in this 2 points are given, one line equation is there. So we know already in second unit we have seen, no, line means it is a combination of the two planes. So here this is one plane and this is one plane. When you combine them, it will become the line equation in the unsymmetrical form. Okay, so we have the 2 points passing through the sphere, and also here whatever the and its center is there, its center is on the line. Whatever the center of that sphere is there, that is on the line of this equation. Okay, through this concept we have to find the sphere. What is the equation of the sphere? Okay, so first procedure is with these 2 points, same whatever we have done in the first problem. Okay, so solution, let the required equation of sphere be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals to 0. Okay, this is the required equation. Do this. So here 2 points are there. So 0, minus 2, minus 4 and 2, minus 1, minus 1 are passing through 1. Okay, whenever they are passing through 1, we have to substitute x, y, z values are these. So it is 0 plus y is minus 2 whole square plus z is minus 4 whole square plus 2u is minus 2 into x. Sorry, x value, no, minus 2 into u. Okay, u is 0, no, u is 0 into, this is x value, sorry. So 2 into x value is 0 into u plus 2 into y value is minus 2 into v plus 2 into z value is minus 4 into w plus d is equals to 0. So this is 0, minus 2 whole square means 4. This is 4, 4s are 16 plus this value is 0. So it is minus 4v and this is minus 8w plus d equals to 0. And again minus 4v minus 8w plus d. 16 plus 4 means it is 20. So minus plus 20 equals to 0. This is the second equation. Okay, minus 4u. would be plus 8W plus D equals to 20. Actually, like this. Okay. So even you, if you take out minus also, you can write. You put it as equation 2. One more is from this only. If you take out minus common, 4V plus 8W minus D minus 20 equals to 0. So wherever necessary, we can use this one also, or else we can write it as 4V plus 8W minus D equals to 20 also, like this also. Okay. So anywhere, if in solving any solution, either you can take this second equation or this one. Okay. So next, from the second point, it is 2 minus 1 minus 1. So 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2u into 2 plus 2v minus 1 into v plus 2 minus 1 into w plus d is equals to 0. So it is 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4u minus 2v minus 2w plus d is equals to 0. That is 4u minus 2v minus 2w plus d, 4, 5, 6. So plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. You can keep like this only, or else whatever we have done here, second equation, that is 4u minus 2v minus 2w plus d equals to minus 6 also we can take, or else keep like this only. Okay. This is the third equation. Third equation is this, you consider anywhere if for solving the problem. How you are done here, same like this one. Okay. So this is the third equation. Next, center is on the lines. Okay. So we have and having center on the line. So center is on the lines. Center is on the line. What is the line? We have 5y plus 2z is equals to 0 equals to 2x minus 3y. Okay. Here, whatever the line equation is there, in that line equation, in place of, if x was there means, in place of x, you have to write u, and in place of y, we have to write v. If z is there means, here we have a z, in place of z, we have to write it as w. Okay. Why? Because this whatever having center on the line, we have center. What is the center? We have minus u comma minus v comma minus w. So it lies on this line. So whatever x, y, z values are there, those x, y, z values you have to write as minus u minus v minus w. Okay. Here for this one you can write center is equals to, here you mention center is equals to minus u minus v minus w. So this center is lying on the line we have, whatever the line. So in place of x, y, z, you have to substitute minus u minus v minus w. So here it will become minus v, that is minus 5v minus 2 into w. Okay. This is minus 2 into u, minus of minus, it will become plus 3v. Okay. Then you will get, here already we have got two equations. From this we will get fourth and fifth equation. So from 2, 3, 4, 5, when you solve them, you will get u, v, w and d values. Okay. That is, we can write here minus 5v minus 2w. You split this one as two plain equations. Okay. This is the third, no? Fourth equation. Next, fifth one, minus 2u minus of minus plus 3v is equals to 0. This is the fifth equation. Okay. So now solving 2 and 3. 2 and 3, what we have? V is there, minus w is there, d is there. Okay. Solving 2 and 3. What is 2? 4V minus 8W and minus, okay. What is solving 2 and 3? So 2 minus 4V minus 8W plus 20 plus D equals to 0. Anything you can write. So it is minus 4U minus 2V minus 2W plus D plus 6 plus D equals to 0. So what you'll get from this one? 4U plus K. You here U is not there, no, just you write in place of the same values. What we have? U here you write 4U. Then what we have V is 2V. Next minus 2W plus 6 plus D. Okay. When you do the subtraction of this one, this minus will become plus. This minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. This will become minus. This will become minus. So this is 4U. So minus 2V. And this is plus, no. So minus 6W. Okay. So this is plus 14. And this plus, that is D will get cancelled. It is equals to 0. Okay. So this method only, no need of following and solving. You can do by your own method, but the thing is, whatever the U, V, W, D values you are getting, that should be the same values. Okay. Okay. We can take here 2 common. So whenever we take common, 2U minus V minus 3W plus 7 is equals to 0. That is 2U minus V minus 3W plus 7 equals to 0. This is the third, fourth, fifth. This is the sixth equation. Okay. So now see U, V, W are there. So from this, how we can solve the problem? So if you'll take this one and this one, in this U is not there, no? In second equation, V is there, W is there, D is there. If you see the fourth equation, here V and W are there. So from here, when you solve this one, solving 2 and 4. Okay. 4 you are multiplying with 4. Okay. So 8 minus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled. So 2 is this one only. And 4 is minus 5 fours are 20B. Okay. Next we have W. 4 means 8W. Only this one. It is equals to 0. So here this will become plus. This will become plus. Here in the numerator is there. So only this will get cancelled. So plus 20 is there. From that, if you do the minus, what was the third equation? Minus 4U. 4U minus 2V minus 2W plus D. 4V plus 8W. Plus 8W equation. 8W plus 20 plus D equals to 0. Okay. So when you cancel out this one, you will get it as what was this? This was the second equation. Minus 4V minus 8W plus D plus 20 equals to 0. So this is minus 4 to the 8. So plus minus both will get cancelled. You take other second equation. One more second equation was what? 4V plus 8W minus D minus 20 equals to 0. And this is minus 20V, okay, minus 8W equals to 0. Okay, that second equation you take, then lengthy process you will not get. So both directly you can cancel them. So minus 20 and here, so this is minus 16B minus D minus 20 equals to 0. Okay. So solve this one. By solving this, you will get the values here. U, V, W values. So this is a very lengthy process we have. So I will write here what are the U, V, W values. Already it is 230 degrees. So this is the seventh equation. V, D is there. U, V is there. Then D you will get. Okay. From 5, 6, 7 and third equation and second equation, try to solve this one. So by solving, you will get the U value as just I'm writing here. U value will get is as minus 3. V value is equals to minus 2. And W you will get as 5. And D value will get as 12. Okay. These are the U, V, W values. So after that, solve the third and fifth equation. Actually, it is very lengthy process is there. Try to solve that one. But the procedure is whenever one plane equation or two plane equations are there in the problem, just in place of x, y, z, you substitute minus u, minus v, minus w. And whatever the procedure we have done for the first problem, same one you will get. And the equation is, and the equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 4y plus 10z plus 12 is equals to 0. So this equation you will get after solving these all equations. Okay. So see that one. We see some important questions in block 3 and block 4. So from starting we have seen the questions. In page number 193, we have done the second problem and sixth one. After that, obtain the equation was lying on the sphere. Next, unit 8 we have, it is the tangent line and tangent plane is there. In page number 195, 8.2.1, you have the definition is there. 196 page number, whatever the formula is there. This theorem is there, no, 8.2.2. This is the important for solving the problems. Okay. The length of tangent from a point P to the sphere S is root of S1 units. So S11 means the formula we have here. This is the important one in solving the problems. So you'll get one 5 marks question on this theorem. You have the example problems also. Where it is means, it is page number 199, 8.2.6. Whatever the theorem statement is there, no, that is important for solving the problems. That is when two spheres are given, then to find the common tangent plane, the formula is S minus S dash is equals to 0. No need of proof, only just whatever the statement is there, the statement is enough. Next to 200 page number, 8.2.8. Find the equations to the tangent planes to the sphere which are parallel to the plane. Okay. So 8.2.8, 9 and 10. So they may be 9 and 10 you will get for the 5 marks question, but whatever the 8th problem is there, no, 8.2.8. This problem they will ask for the 10 marks question. Next, plane of contact, polar plane and congruency is there. So in this, you have the formulas are there. 203 page number 8.3.3. Only statement is enough. So if you know the statement, through that whatever statement it is considered as a formula. Okay. Through that formula, we'll solve the problems. Next to 204 page number 8.3.4. This is the important one. So almost sixth question, I think so. You'll get as a this 5 marks question. This polar of the plane formula is important. Sometimes for 5 marks also, whatever proof is there, statement will be given in the question, proof will be asked. And through this formula you'll have the example and exercise problems are there. But the concept of this polar of the plane, this is the important one. So either this theorem will be asked or example problem on this also will be asked. It is asked for only 5 marks. Okay. See in page number 8.3.11, example problems are there. Find the pole of the plane with respect to sphere. So in the whatever the formula is there, if you substitute there, you will get the solution here. 8.3.11 and 8.3.13. This is also 5 marks question, conjugate points. Next to 209, this theorem is important. Proof will be asked for the 10 marks question. The combination of two spheres, whenever they are intersecting each other, the cos theta equals to plus or minus r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 into r2. So this is asked for 10 marks question. And next one also 210 is there, no? This theorem also important. This theorem is important for solving the problems, and also sometimes they will ask for as a 10 marks question also. 211 page number 8.4.4. This is also important. This is actually repeatedly asked question. If you see previous examination questions, this is asked for the 10 marks. Next 8.4.6. Not this one. Just if you know the concept of when the two finding the equation of the sphere which touches the plane and cuts the sphere orthogonally. Backside, page number 211. 8.4.5 is there, no? The concept, if you know, so only rarely it is asked. See 214. So here exercise problems are there. And next unit 9 is radical plane and coaxial system of spheres. 216 9.2.1. Only just a statement. Statement is considered as a formula for solving the problems. S minus S dash is equals to 0. So in 9.2.7, you have the example is there. When 3 spheres are given, how to find the radical center? 9.2.8. Next to the concept of coaxial system is very important. In the theorem only statement, that is S plus lambda into S dash is equals to 0. If you know that, through that we can solve the problems. Next to 223 page number, limiting points is there, no? C. Means just you need to know what is the formula for this one. Hmm. 224 page number 9.3.8. This is the 10 marks question. And 9.3.9. This is also 10 marks question. These two are regularly asked questions. Okay? And see if some problems from the MAQ. Next we have the block 4. It is the cone and the cylinder. And cone and the cylinder means from this you'll get the all the theorems are there and problems are there. This is the cone you will have. Okay. Here it will be the center. Okay. Cylinder means like this it will be there. From this you have the formulas are there. This is the center of the cylinder and this is called as a guiding curve and these whatever are there those are called generators. Okay. In this also 10.2.3 formula is important. This one equation of the cone is there, no? This one 10.2.3 and 4 examples you try to solve them. Next page number 237. Page number 237, 10.3.4. This is the important one. So sometimes it will be asked for 5 marks or else for 10 marks. And check your progress you have, no? First, second and third problem also. Solution you have, I think the back side it is there. And page number 244. This is the important one for 10 marks question. Almost to 12th question you will have from this one. 10.5.1. And even 10.5.2, 10.5.3. And even see the check your progress also. 4th and 5th one. Next 11th unit. 11th unit enveloping cone of a sphere is there. For this, whatever the proof is there for 11.2.2. This is a very lengthy one. Just you remember the here, whatever the statement is there, that statement you remember. On this, you have the example problem 11.2.3. This is the 5 marks question you will get 11.2.3. And next, check your progress you have, no? This is also 5 marks question. Next, page number 257. Page number 257, 11.3.4. This is also 5 marks question. Next, page number 261, 11.4.4. This is also 5 marks. Down you have check your progress. This is also 5 marks. 262 page number, right circular cone. This is the very important one. Even they may be asking for 20 marks question also this one. 11.5.2. Okay, 10 or 20 marks. Whole theorem statement and proof.
We have to write these special cases also, ma'am.
No need, just up till the formula it's enough. Above it is there, no? Cos theta equals to, after that back side you have no. Page number 263 above. This is the equation of the right circular cone. Up till here it's enough. No need of writing case 1 and case 2.
Okay.
Okay. But this is the very important one. So you may get for 10 or 20 marks. Means 20 marks means how they will give statement and proof and one problem will they will give. Through that whatever the right circular cone concept, you have to solve the problem also. So combination of that and this you will get for 20 marks question. So problem means you have in check your progress it is there. And in MEQ questions you see that one. That is second question. Find the equation of the right circular cone whose vertex is and the axis is given by and semi-vertical angle 30 degrees. Okay. So if he is asking for 20 marks question, theorem and one problem they will ask. If only for 10 marks, it's only theorem proof it will be asked. Okay. Next, if we'll go to the unit 12, it is a cylinder we have. Cylinder also page number 269, 12.2.2. This is the regularly asked question. You'll get for 10 marks question. That is a 12B question. Next to 12.2.3. This is also means whatever here we have studied the theorem regarding of that one problem we have. Okay. 12.2.3. Next, check your progress 1. Next theorem, that is 12.3.2. Only statement is enough for solving the problems about the enveloping cylinder. Example you have in 273 page number, that is 12.3.3. Okay. Next 12.3.4. And here 275 page number, right circular cylinder. Just we have seen right circular cone. No? Similarly, here also you will have the statement and proof. This is also important. So you may have chance of right circular cone or right circular cylinder for 20 marks question. Okay. Proof, this is the important one. Down only you have one example problem we have 12.4.4. Next to 12.4.5 also very important this one. And check your progress 3. So in 12th unit, these are the very important one. So these whatever right circular cylinder example, and after that 277 page number problem and check your progress. If you are perfect with this one, so easily you can score 110 marks and 5 marks question also. Next you can see same similar problems from the MEQ questions. Okay. In MEQ question, 7th problem, 6th and 7th. These are the 5 marks questions. Okay.
Okay.
So 3 blocks means only in third block we have completed 1 unit. So right circular cylinder, some problems I have told in the previous previous semesters, 5th semester. If those videos are available in the website of BRW, you see there. Whatever the third block and fourth block also I have completed in that. Okay. If you are available, then you can see how to solve those right circular cylinder, right circular cone, and what is the concept of the, what are the generators, what are the, here guiding curve will be there. This is called as guiding curve, and here whatever the lines are there for the cone and cylinder, those are called as a generators. Okay. The concept I have told, and even the problems I have solved in that. So try to see those videos, and from the by seeing those concepts, try to solve the whatever I have told the important questions. No, try to solve them. Okay. So almost only 1 week you have whatever the concept I have told, and you will have the practical classes also. In that also they will tell the same problems. So whatever the 4 blocks are there, from that in a practical class you will have the 2 blocks. So whatever the topics are in there in this, you will solve the problems in the practical. So prepare those practical problems and also these problems, so that you can score good marks. Okay, all the best for your exams. Okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.